You okay?
So, yeah, I'm fine. Someone just fell off.
Hello everyone. Today I leave Na Hin and head towards Vientiane. Distance 266 kilometers, about 6 hours ride. We will see road conditions in a moment. The temperature is 26 degrees, very pleasant in the morning. It rises to 36 degrees by noon. When I see a PTT station, I take the opportunity to put gas. I trust this brand more than others. He almost hit the motorcycle. In Laos it is very common to see this type of driving.
You okay?
So, yeah, I'm fine. Someone just fell off. It's completely
But
ripped.
is you or?
No, anybody took away with a pickup truck.
Oh, okay.
But we were the first, and so yeah. it
Okay.
was-
I have also like this,
yeah.
but already go, no?
Yeah, he got a whole.
Oh
head
my
was
god.
just-
He got helmet?
No.
Oh.
Helmet.
In my opinion, when there is an accident, if you are not involved or can help, you better go. Remember that we are foreigners, we can only create a problem for ourselves. In the end, my impressions of this route have been good. The road is in good condition, despite many sections under construction, but nothing dangerous. I checked this hotel, but when I saw the room I better look for another one. This looks like a storage room. This hotel is very close to the city center. Clean, nice rooms. Great staff. Good breakfast. The beds are perfect. There are 2 outdoor pools, one is on the roof of the columned entrance. They let park the bike inside at the lobby. On the same street, there are many restaurants. Some Europeans. Generally throughout Laos, the food is very good, due to its French influences.
Bye bye.